I'm not saying we're not deporting bad hombres, as President Trump says, but I want it done according to the law. Because if you're not following the rule of law, then you know what? You're just as bad as the bad guy.
An attorney in Henderson County is questioning the sheriff's office agreement to hold inmates longer than they normally would for Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE. The sheriff says state and federal law support the policy. 7 News reporter Ann Maxwell spoke with the sheriff and an attorney who says the office's policy actually breaks the law. Ann.
Amy, both the sheriff and the attorney say they want to set a false narrative straight. The attorney says the sheriff's office policy leaves the county and taxpayers vulnerable to a lawsuit. The Fourth Amendment protects people against unreasonable searches and seizures. According to Hendersonville attorney George Pappas, the Henderson County Sheriff's Office is violating people's Fourth Amendment rights by holding them in jail for ICE detainers. An ICE detainer is placed on someone who is previously arrested. It allows local law enforcement to keep someone in jail up to 48 hours for immigration and customs enforcement agents.
Your case is now finished. You have a right to leave jail. It's at that point, if they're held over, waiting for ICE to pick them up, that constitutes a new arrest.
Pappas says that is illegal because you can only detain someone for criminal charges, while ICE detainers are civil.
If you hold them again, it's a new arrest. You cannot arrest someone on civil complaints or civil requests.
The sheriff says he wants it clear that no one is arrested off the street because of suspicions about their immigration status. This only applies to people who are already in custody for something else. He says that's not illegal.
We've got both federal and state laws that allows this agreement to take place.
Pappas disagrees. One of the cases he cites is a 2013 case from the Fourth Circuit Federal Appeals Court that applies to North Carolina, saying you can't be imprisoned for a civil immigration request.
I think Mr. Pappas's interpretation and the other attorneys' interpretations must differ. And what I'm going to side with is the North Carolina Sheriff's Association and our staff attorney.
Pappas says other sheriff's offices have been sued for ICE detainers and lost.
Here, it could be a class action suit because hundreds of people have been deported through Henderson County under the detainer system. If the liability claims are large, if they're in millions of dollars, taxpayers are going to have to pay it.
Pappas also took his concerns to the Henderson County Board of Commissioners last week, and right now there is no legal challenge on the horizon, no lawsuit in process about this issue in Henderson County.
Well, this is not a new practice, right? It's been going on, what, 10 years or so? So have there ever been legal challenges in the past that we know of?
I asked the sheriff that, and he said none that he knows of.
All right, and keep an eye on it for us. Thank you.